Very warm welcome to this award ceremony. Today is really to harvest and to celebrate the results of one of Digicom's most successful projects. Successful because we actually reached out to the most important audience, which is you, the young people, and also successful because this is a living sign of how Europe can collaborate together. We had 14 countries participating and more than 12,000 students. So you had a 1 in 2,000 chance to actually make it until this final stage. And I think it was all due to your collaboration and hard work and inspiration and genius videos by the end of the day that did the trick. So this is really now a moment for celebration for us. Also to celebrate Europe because of the way we actually pulled this off jointly and did this all together. And in order to do so, it's now my great honor and pleasure to hand over to our Director General, Mrs. Mariana Kotseva, who will guide you through this award ceremony.
Thank you very much, Martina. Let me tell you that I'm very happy to see you because, first of all, I'm a university professor, so I have been working with young people for many years, and then I moved to bureaucracy. And I have to tell that this transition was not easy for me, especially when I cannot combine teaching with administrative work. Second, I have a daughter who today has a back in mathematics in the last year. So when I mentioned to her that about the award ceremony, she said, could you send them to my back exam? I'll be happy to join this ceremony and the video. This is the right thing what you have to do because if you are the future, so you have to take the numbers and you have to make your lives and the lives of the others better. So saying that, what I could say, my colleagues could confirm that sometimes I'm accused that I am pushing too much to young people. So the more experienced one, they feel, sometimes they say, what about us? So not everything is about young people. But I am convinced due to my background that this is the future and this is the way forward. So therefore, I'm very happy that we have such a great team and also that we have some young people who are sitting modestly behind us, the more experienced who invested a lot in especially statistics Spain, who is also the leader. So yes, representing the nice team because somebody has to take the lead. And for statistics, if I have to speak about European project and what is Europe, you know, I could speak about statistics because statistics is an excellent example how European people have to work together because statistics has a sense only if they are comparable across countries. They have a sense only if they reflect the real life. And they have a sense if they speak to people, if they use. Otherwise, they are dry numbers, which they just stay somewhere and nobody uses them. Therefore, for Eurostat team, the social media, the digital technologies, the way that our numbers could prolong their life is really a great opportunity for Eurostat team and for statistical offices. And also I said that we are an example of the European project because Eurostat does not produce the numbers alone. Eurostat produces the numbers with national statistical offices. So we are a great family. We travel together. Sometimes I see my fellow director generals of statistical offices more often than my family, which is not a good statistics to be recorded. But this shows that we are a European project. And in doing this, statistics is a great profession because you have to find the common, the average. As we speak in statistics, I'm an average person. I eat on average, I sleep on average. I have average marks in the grade, but the most important is that I'm unique. So you need standard deviation for that and other measures of variations. So therefore, statistics is a very interesting profession because you capture the trends, you describe the society, but you keep different culture across Europe, and this is the beauty of the profession. So, what I just wanted to say, I immediately already my colleagues could confirm that the first thing what I said to them after good morning when I entered this room was, what next? That you have to promote this wonderful work, and we try to make it part of a bigger project, not only for statistics but for education on Europe. We are discussing with other services in the Commission, so we need to make it bigger and more popular. And more concretely, I will ask afterwards how we are going to promote what you have done more permanently on YouTube or Eurostat web channel. We are going to offer this to the Commission services also as well to do a bit longer the life and value chain, because this is not one of exercises, the wonderful things which I managed to see for a short period of time deserve to continue. So congratulations to all of you. I asked what you are going to do today in Eurostat. I understood that you will do a little bit meetings, presentation, and the most important is that you keep this attitude, this curiosity, this, I will not say love to numbers, but that you use the power of numbers, because the numbers and the data really have a power. And to be in this profession means a lot. So thank you very much. So now I'm in the hands of my colleagues for the Oscars. I was thinking this morning that I should put an Oscar dress, but you know, the weather in Luxembourg is not always good for that. So let's have the video first, and then we'll go to the Oscars. But next time we should put nice envelopes, you know. So we are starting with the age group 14-16. Yes? Okay. So I will ask my colleagues for assistance. Yes, because I hope that I will read the right thing, not the wrong envelope. You know? So in this age group, the first place is taken by team Ansofi from Belgium. So I understood that the video is about how the life of young people will look in 10
zal dan alpaal gestegen zijn. In de EU zal de afhankelijkheidsgraad nog duidelijk hoger liggen. In 2080 zijn we 76 jaar en zullen we behoren tot de niet-actieve oudere bevolking. De afhankelijkheidsgraad zal nog al 75,7% bedragen. In de hele EU stellen we dezelfde trend van ontgroening, vergrijzing en verzuiling vast. We zullen langer moeten werken, want er zullen onvoldoende jongeren zijn om de ouderen te vervangen op de arbeidsmarkt. En wie gaat er voor al die ouderen zorgen?
What I just wanted to say, looking at the price at the end, because we are discussing how to measure sustainability of food and healthy food. So maybe we should introduce new data collection, eating different foods. Okay, so now I would like to invite the team and of course their teacher. So, Annelies de Rock, Sophie de Rock, Diane Karen Leroy, and their teacher, Miss Termont. Yes? Who will take the heavy Oscar? Congratulations. Fantastic work. So we'll do something to promote it further. Okay, so the floor is yours. Like in Oscar, so how will you do it? Yes, the certificate. Do you want to say something? Could you just turn to the people? I think it's okay without microphone, but if you want to try it. Yes.
We can use this one. You can give the microphone.
Yes, they'll give you the microphone. We professional teachers, we speak loud. You know, we got this professional bias. Does it work? No. Hello? But try just with your voices and the colleagues are saying.
Dear Ms. Koltsiwa, dear members of the jury, dear attendees, we still cannot believe that we are here as winning team of the European Statistics competition. We never dared to dream that something we actually started for fun could end like this. When we heard that the statistic competition was organized for the very first time for our age range in Belgium, we signed up with our group of 3 under the pretense of participation is more important than winning. But when we succeeded in the first round and then even made the winning presentation of the Belgian competition, we found it an honor to represent our school Emmaüs Aalter and our country Belgium in Europe. We worked hard on a movie and found out that winning is sometimes more fun than just participating. With our video, we want to present a lot of data about Belgium and the European Union in a playful, accessible and attractive way, showing that figures and statistics don't have to be boring. Reliable statistics are also necessary to implement the right policies and to take up future challenges. In the video, we want to tell a story to our classmates and peers who are even less familiar with statistics than we are now after this contest. We hope that they also want to know how our age group will evolve in the coming decades, that they, like us, will reflect on the consequences of demographic development on the labor market and the health sector.
During the various assignments of the statistic competition, we learned a lot. We got more familiar.
Girls, we are grateful that we could experience this as a family team because sister and Finn is my daughter. This only makes our bond stronger. We enjoy the congratulations we received from many. Our thanks goes in the first place to the organizers of both the Belgian and European statistics competition. Special thanks to the employees of Statbel, in particular Sophie van Riegemortel, who did the main part of the organization in the Belgian context. Thanks to Wendy Schalford from Statbel 2 for the clear communication during the last days in preparation for our trip here. Thanks to Eurostat for financing this trip. We want to thank everyone who helped us with this project. Special mention here for Tanja, Peter, Anja and Jan for their suggestions, critical remarks and encouragements during each round of the competition. Thanks also to the school director who gave permission to be present at the award ceremony both in Brussels and here. We wish all the best to my pupils at school who are currently taking exams for me. Also to Femke, Tim, Bram, Thomas, go for it today. Finally, I want to thank my mum, the grandmother of the girls. She was our biggest supporter from the start and the first to know outside our team that we have won this competition. I know she's very proud of what her grandchildren have achieved. Unfortunately, it was not possible for her to be here.
We also want to thank our teacher for the many help we have received. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you.
Because this is my experience. If grandmothers understand and they don't have difficult questions, we done our work well. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Success.
Thank you.